What up, gang? Long time no upload, or long time no see. Feels like a month, but it's probably only been like a week and a half, give or take. I don't know, let's not think about that. What is cool and what is important is that I'm back on the scene. So for the past month or so, I've been doing some kind of like big things, some personal big things, and also some big things with the group too. I just bought a house, which is really dope, super stoked for that. I'm now officially a homeowner. It feels very surreal, and I don't think it's really dawned on me yet. Spent a lot of time moving in, doing all that kind of stuff. Like, I didn't realize how much went into owning a home. You gotta like turn on gas, water, you got the Wi-Fi, you got the electricity, you got the trash. It's just like, dude, being an adult, it's not fun. Don't buy a house, but at the same time, buy a house. We just wrapped up Guggen Week. We had like a ton of content creators at the MTB crib. It was an insane experience. You guys will see the videos from that very shortly. And then amongst that, I've just really been kind of trying to figure out, like myself, where I want this channel to go. We are nearing the end of the 2018 chapter and opening up a new chapter for 2019. So I've really been contemplating personally as to how I want to make videos, how I want to continue to grow myself, my brand, maybe create new brands, create new ideas, and incorporate it and share it with all you beautiful, wonderful Jeets out there. With that all in mind, let's get swifty with it. Buckle up, let's get after it and see if we can find some text bass. This is my luck, people. You can't see it because the camera's whack, but it's freaking raining right now. The moment I even muster the word fishing and filming, the rain comes in. Oh, do you guys hear that? That's the sound of beautiful rushing water. Let's go check this out. It looks creaky, very creaky.
Oh, righty. Let's go yank him and spank him. Woo! Here we go. There is some bait fish. There's like little tiny minnows right to my left. It's a good sign, not a great sign. This water's not deep at all. Very shallow. Very shallow and very muddy. Oh, I just got bit. I just got nailed. He's got it. He's got it. He's swimming with it. Oh, I had him. I got smoked. 155% a fish. Wowzer. There he is. He's got it. He's running with it. Look at it. Look, he's running with it. He's running with it. Little one. Got him. Got him. Yes. I've been doing creek fishing since I was just a little kid. And every single time I catch fish out of just the goofiest situations like this, it continues to amaze me. Like, what the hell is this bass doing in a creek that flows right under I-21 and is next to some like putt golf course? I don't know, this just blows my mind. Check it. That's a Texas stud for you. You know I'm catching the biggest fish on YouTube right now. That's a chubby one. Look how freaking pudgy that guy is. Eating his Wheaties, getting your protein. You know, go now, go. If there's one, there's probably more. All right, let's keep exploring. There's a good bit of creek left. This actually looks like it's the old riverbed maybe. So I'm just gonna follow this and see if it leads me to some goodness. What the f is this a fossil? Yo, what the hell is this? This is like 100% like a, holy smokes. Wait, you guys, tell me if you, this looks like a, what do they call those? Like a nautilus? You know, like one of those like nautilus things, like the little squiddly guys with the shell. That, or it's just legitimately the world's weirdest rock found in downtown Fort Worth. I don't know, I'm gonna keep this though. This is a dank rock. It looks like a big snail, I don't know, I'm baffled. I'm gonna keep it though. I like cool rocks. Wow, look at all this trash. This is just foul. All that rain, taking all that garbage and pushing it into so many little tiny creeks and rivers. And this is the result, a garbage jungle. There's one. That's a bass. That's a bass. Yeah. That thing about took the freaking rod out of my hand. I was looking down at a rock. I'm like in fossil collecting mode. Look down at a rock, look back up, and the freaking line is just tooting. This is a much better one. Although I will say he does have a weird little poop stain on him. What is that? That looks like the marking of an urban bass to me. It's a bit strange. Other than that, though, it's a pretty healthy fish. Just had to step it up, go to a little bit of a deeper pool, and well, I found him. Probably just shy of a pound, maybe right at a pound. When you're fishing creeks like this, your expectations can't be too high. You gotta take what you get and get what you take. Or wait, that didn't make any sense. That long pause was me thinking about what I just said. The take what you get part is makes sense, but the get what you take thing, that I just made that up, and that doesn't, yeah, never mind, scratch that part.
Here, rattlesnakey, thinky.
Ooh, this look good. Definitely gonna get wet here. Well, actually, let's take a few casts before I get soaking wet. Son of a weeder. I think I can just get right here. Jump. Yeah, that's good. Ow. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, my fucking fuckerson. I am so lucky to still have a foot. I just jumped from there to here, and I made a big step so I could make that leap. Stepped down on a branch, and the freaking branch went into my shoe. Like, it's in between my toes right now. The fact that that just didn't go into my entire foot is like incredible. Like, look at that. Like, it is in my freaking shoe. How am I gonna get this out? Oh my God. That was just in my foot. I am a lucky man. Doinked a few little squeaky fish, not too shabby for a creek I've never even heard of, let alone fished. I'm not giving up this creek. I'm gonna go back on the Google Maps scene, gonna kind of tool around, see if I can find some more drop-in zones, and then from there, I don't know, we might go looking for some more creeks. I'm just out here to have fun, catching fish, exploring. Gonna avoid getting hurt. Gonna try not to bang my knee on any rusted metal. I can't believe I almost lost my foot there. That would have been like a great moment for content, but an awful moment for my health. I hear water. Let's go check it. No! Rocky. What's up? How's it going, man? What's happening? You just get done fishing?
Yeah.
Nice, how is it?
I'm Justin.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, I've watched all your videos. Man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Originally from Texas, or?
Yeah, I'm from here actually. Like,
cool.
I live like in.
Yeah, I've been following this creek. I went and fished up top there, and it's like really tiny, but there's some little fish in it. And I saw that it ran through here, so I'm just like following around, and it's cool. Let's go get this bread. I've been following this creek under overpasses, around neighborhoods, and I've landed here. Oh, here we go. Yeet, this looks freaking juicy. Dude, if it was a foot deeper, this would be just stacked with arapaima. Dude, like, there's like 3 rivers that meet in this little area. If I was a fish, I would be gobbling. I would be, oh, I just got bit. He's pecking at it. I did just get the nibs. It was not a serious nibs, but nibs confirmed. Here's the creek right here that I've been following all day. Then you got this other random creek that's really dirty. And there's another one just over there, all pushing water into this little pond here. I didn't see this on the map, so maybe this is a secret pond action. Oh, fish just busted right there. That was a fish that just busted all the way over there. Oh, I'm getting bit. I got one. There's a fish on right now. He's running with it. Oh, I had him. Such a far hook set though. It's kind of hard to nail him. That was a good bite. Shit barely shows up. I'm gonna throw a black and blue. I'm gonna change colors real quick. This little jig was given to me by a viewer. Like yesterday, we were fishing this tournament for the squad, for the Google Squad channel. He just handed me this jig and he's like, yo, I catch a lot of fish on this. I just thought you were showing me. He's like, nah, just keep it. So I'm gonna tie it on. I think it might work. Looks freaking money, doesn't it? Little tiny jig with a craw chunk on the back. I think this might do it. There's one. Oh, I'm on. Yup. Yeah. Okay, I was kind of thinking, this is weird, you know, this looks really good. This is honestly the best damn spot I've ever seen. You got like all these points of water that are connecting into a dope little pond. I wasn't getting any luck. I wasn't catching any fish, and this guy just broke the silence. Not a bad one. Look at that. The jig pulled off. See ya, Bobby. Meow. Another bite, another fish. He's got it. He's running with it. Oh, that's a good one. That's not a small fish. Not a small fish at all. Not a small fish. Not a small fish. That's a Texas largemouth, right? Oh, buddy, this is not a small fish. Oh, he's hung up. He's hung up. No, no, get out of there. Get out of there. Yes, I got him. I got him. The rod almost came out of my hand. I expected to set the hook and get a tiny little creek bass, but this is not a tiny. Oh, is he hung up? No, he's hung up. No, he's hung up. No. That was a giant. You really get me hung up just then? No. Damn it. I don't feel anything. You gotta be joking. How did he get me hung up? God, that fish was fighting so hard. Gosh darn it. Dude, how did he just all of a sudden just got me hung? How does that even happen? Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh, he's still on. No, he's still on. The fish is still on. Oh, there he is. No way. No freaking way. How did that fish stay on? Look at that. That's a good one. Look at this. Look at this fish. Look at that. Did not think we were going to get one that big today. A little black and blue. A little black and blue gets the bass. That's a freaking fat fish. Very short and stocky, but really just all this right here is what made that fish hard to bring in. Very wide fish. Tall fish. Not long, but tall. Yes. That's a beauty. I thought you were a goner. I'm so glad I get to hold you. Thank you, Slinky. Oh. Yeah, buddy. I gotta say, I was a pretty big fan of this creek. Oh, think, brain blast. I think I caught 2 fish. I can't count, I forgot. Yeah, 2 fish, 1 nice one, kind of squeaky one. Actually, let me rephrase that. I'm more of a fan of the spot that was led to me by the creek. It's funny because I didn't catch a single fish out of this second creek I went to, but I started here and I followed it all the way down into that creepy woods over there.
Guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with Flares.
The name of the game was super simple. I had my bag full of bandito bugs, and then I had my trusty dusty rigged Phantom favorite rod. This is a 7-foot medium heavy. You know how we do. Also, I fished the jig that a viewer gave me in Texoma. The reel is quite possibly one of my new favorite reels. I'm gonna have to do a review on this later, but for now, I'll just give you the specs. It's a 7.1-to-1 gear ratio reel with a hefty drag system, and spooled on that, I got some stout 20-pound test. Let's just cut to the chase. I gotta head back home. There's an angry wiener dog waiting for me back at the house, and I gotta tend to her needs. Yeet. Good job, guys. Teamwork. We freaking did it. Go. Tutor! Come on, let's go, let's go. Lucky, no, what are you doing? God, psycho dog, get back in there. I go get that belly. I'm gonna get that belly. Drum roll, ladies and gentlemen. Now is the time to see if there are any doggy dookies laying around here. I'm gonna do a quick assessment here. I'm gonna look under all the nooks and crannies. Did you do any poopies? There's a poop factory, right? Tell all the people how you just poop everywhere. You just do like 1 million poops a day. Looks like this is a poop-free zone. Hey, the house remains unscathed. Speaking of the house, I kind of wanted to intro you guys to this new crib and explain to you guys what this means, but I think I'm gonna save that for a different video. Also because the house isn't really ready. I don't have like all the pictures I want hung up. It's not very clean right now. I'm still moving it. I mean, this is very fresh. I only closed like about a month ago. So I'm gonna save this for a different video, but I will show you guys the backyard. Check this backyard out. Plenty of space for wiener dog activities. I know I already said it, but I'll say it again, you guys. It's amazing to be back. I like quote unquote leave YouTube for like a good week or like a week and a half, and it feels like I've just given up. Like I just have this really kind of like a knot in my stomach. I don't know, it's the best way I can describe it. If I'm not doing something productive, then I get antsy, but then when I'm doing something that I'm productive and I'm spending like a lot of time on a project, I then get tired and want to break. But then when I'm on that break, I'm like, well, this break isn't deserved. I feel like I need to work harder while I'm taking this time off. It's a very weird internal feeling that I get, and it's a feeling that I just recently had. Probably sounds like, holy John's like going through some stuff and he's like, you know, really bummed out about something, but that's not really what it is. In fact, it's more of like a realization moment, you know, a time to kind of set aside my thoughts and not think about all these like crazy things that happen every day. Like being a YouTuber is crazy. It is the most beautiful occupation I think that there is out there. YouTube can be such a crazy thing. In light of a lot of things recently, I've realized that I have all of you guys, each and every single one of you, to thank for this, and I never take your guys' viewership for granted. Anyway, let's slap all that sappy stuff aside. I do want to touch on the fact that there is just some juice coming down the pipeline. Some great content. This is just me touching base. I want to show you guys the creek action here in Texas. Let you know that it's been raining, it's been cold, but I'm still persevering. I'm doing well. I hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe, catch fish, you guys, and as always, folks, keep fishing, never